Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud and Data with Koshi. So today we are going to discuss how we can configure or install Jenkins in Windows system. So in the previous video, I already have discussed about the Jenkins architecture, and in this video, we are going to hands-on that how we can install Jenkins in the Windows 10. So what we have to cover in this video, that is install Jenkins. That first we require the Java development kit. Then we have to set the environment variables for JDK, and then we can go and download, install Jenkins, and run Jenkins in localhost 8080, because the by default port of Jenkins you all know that is 8080. So this is the link that which version are supported for the Jenkins, and that is so we can see that the Java support policy of installation of Jenkins, either we have to install Java 11 that or Java 8. These two versions are there, or also now Java 17 and Java 21. So this is the official website where you can see that support Java support policy for Jenkins, and it's also clearly written that if you install an unsupported Java version, your Jenkins controller will not run. So make sure these are the versions where Jenkins will be installed with that Java, this version, either Java 11, 17, 21, or 8. So I already have configured Java 8 in my system. So you go to this link, and you can see that this is the web link where you can see Java 8, Java 8 Enterprise Performance Pack, or Java 11. These all the links are there where you can install, and first you can download the installer, and then you can go and install that JDK 8, or in my case I already have configured JDK 8, or you can go Java 11 or Java 8 Enterprise Pack, any one of them. So just click over there, 86 installer. You can see that the installer to JDK 8 Windows. This is the exe file, or if you go Java 11, and you can see that x64 installer, that is you can download this version also. So either you can go x64 for Java 11, or x64 for Java 8. So you can see the installation is progress. You can go and this is a two persons. Either you can install any one of them, and once you can like I add that exe, right? When I click that exe file and that you can see I click on yes, and that wizard will come. Once it is installed, you can see the installation is here, right? The wizard will guide through the process of JDK. You can go and next. Uh, Preparing to install, you can see. That this kind of pop-up box you can see over there, right? So I just need to cancel it because I already have installed. Or either even go and click on that 11, JDK 11. The same kind of things will come. You can go and yes. So you can see that preparing to install that Java uh, that will come and click on next. By default, it will be there C program files Java JDK 11 if you wish to install that. So you can click on next. Now, once it has been installed, so you can go and see, right? And you can see in the program files, and you can go to Java. There are two. One is JDK 8 1.8, and another is GID. These two things is going to be installed over there, and go to systems. Right, go to environment variables first. Click on system. A minute will come. So the system configuration. Click on system and click on system, and then click on open. System once again, my So click on read environment variables, you can see, and uh, this pop-up will come, and you have to set the variable path of the system to write. I already have created this thing. So you can see just open the control panel and go open the control panel and go to the advanced and click on environment variables, and here you have to add, like click on new, and then you have to add Java home for there, and go to that JDK 1.8 and click copy the path and add the path over there. Click on OK. Java home is there, right? And GRE home. You can write and go to GRE 1.8 and copy the link. Go there and click on variable value, right? Click on OK. So you can see Java home and GRE home, these two paths are there. And now you have to click on path and edit the path. And here you have to set the pin folder path. So new, you can see the go to Java JDK 1.8, go to bin and copy it. After that, you can add edit the path, click on new, and then add the path over there, right? Click on OK and click on OK. You can see this path. Take some time just to do it. 1 or 2 minutes. and click on OK. And we no need to add these things already in there. So now check the Java is installed or not. Um, and version. Then you can see that Java version, the prompt will come. So you can see the Java version is already there in my system. That we already configured Java. Now, next step is that we have to install Jenkins and first we have to download. So in order to download the Jenkins, we have to go and click on uh, the search download Jenkins for Windows and the page will come. Download Jenkins for download Jenkins for Windows. So first you have to search and go to the first link that Jenkins download and deployment, and this is the official web page, and here you can see that Jenkins has provided two versions, right? One is LTS and that is the weekly support version. So download Jenkins 2.4.3, that is LTS and that is normal, right? So go to the long-term support for the Windows, for Windows, and you can see that the page will come. So thank you downloading for the Windows. So you already see that the installation is progress, the one download in progress. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to download. Once it has been downloaded, then we have to configure it. We have to wait and then it will be done. So you can see by default Jenkins runs at 8080, and you can also change the port by go that jenkins.xml that I want to show. I will discuss this thing once the dialog box will come. So you have to wait for a minute, and then I think the MSI package that will be starting, right? So to wait 1 or 2 minutes. So from this page, you can download, right? So you can also, if download not started, then you can also click this link. Then the download will be starting automatically. If not, then you can click this link. So you have to make, you just wait some time, 1 or 2 minutes, then it will be starting. Now click on that MSI. You can see that Jenkins.msi is downloaded. Now we can click on that link. So the Jenkins installation that 2.414.3 that is completed, the setup in there, and we have to click next to continue. We click on next, and this is the by default path of Jenkins installation. We can also change the path if you wish. I am okay with this path. I am just click on next, and you can add that service as local or domain user, and you have to create the account, and then you have to add the password. So in order to create the administrator account, what we'll do,